Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make Editor PFP. Open your image editor and create a 512 x 512 canvas, import a clear face photo, and crop tightly. Adjust exposure and contrast gently to enhance features without overprocessing. Use a subtle background blur or solid color to isolate the subject. Add a small emblem or initials in one corner for personal branding, using consistent colors and simple shapes. Start with basic adjustments. Crop, exposure, contrast, and color balance until the face looks natural and vivid. Use selective sharpening on eyes and lips to draw attention without creating artifacts. For skin, apply mild smoothing only in shadow areas and keep pores visible for realism. Finally, check the image at small sizes to ensure readability and tweak saturation or clarity to retain character and legibility on all platforms. Pick a finishing style that fits your channel vibe, like bold colors or muted film tones, and apply it consistently. Consider overlays such as grain, light leaks, or simple graphic shapes to add personality without clutter. Resize and export at 512 x 512 for most platforms, and keep a larger master file at 1024 x 1024 for future edits. Finally, test the icon at small sizes to confirm readability.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.